Subscribe to Rajshri Food and click on the bell icon for more updates.
Pakoda, bhajia, fritter, whatever the name, it's quite an international favorite and a national favorite across the globe. Today I'm showing you a Paneer Pakoda Amritsari style. What do we call it? Amritsari Paneer Pakoda. Let's begin. Like I said, it's a quick, simple and easy recipe for which the first thing is to make a quick batter. For that, I'm using besan or gram flour. To make it nice and crisp, I'm adding in rice flour. You can also add in corn flour. To this, I'm adding in refined flour, and this is just to kind of coat all of this beautifully onto the paneer. To this, I'm adding in Asafoetida or hing, some Carom Seeds or ajwain to bring out that prominent Amritsari flavor, ginger and garlic paste, a little bit of haldi or turmeric. Let's follow this up with chili powder, especially the one that gives you good red color, lemon juice, and finally salt as required. Let's make a batter using cold water, and this one need not be really cold or hot, just room temperature is perfect. Mix this well till the batter is nice, smooth and lump-free. Just note in the fact that the carom seeds may look like lumps, but that's just perfect. The next step is to take the pieces of paneer. You can of course cut them into any shape, any size, any thickness that you personally desire, and add just a little bit of salt, because paneer otherwise just has the prominence of milk or dairy and there's actually no flavor as such. Roll the pieces of paneer in salt and be ready to fry. The next step of course is to heat oil on high flame in a kadhai or a wok. Dip the pieces of paneer, coat it generously and fry this on a high flame. With this, Amritsari Paneer Pakoda is done and ready. It gets transferred straight on an absorbent tissue paper with a generous sprinkling of amchur powder. Well, if you do not have this in the house, all you can do is sprinkle some chaat masala. This now straight goes on your snack table, and with this you have the most amazing Amritsari Paneer Pakoda done and ready. Enjoy making this for your family and friends, and sometimes make this for yourself. Do not forget to like and share the video and subscribe to Rajshri Food. Bye for now.